In this video I'm going to show you how to unpin videos on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up TikTok app and then go to your profile. Now here I got two videos pinned at the top of my videos feed, and now let's say I want to unpin that video, and all I have to do is open up that video, then hit a three dots icon and hit here where it says unpin to unpin the video. Now I can go back to my profile, I can refresh the page, and here, as you can see, those video was successfully unpinned and I got just one pinned video here. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.